Hey, Tyson Mutrux here, the Mutrux Firm Injury Lawyers. And right now I want to talk about COVID-19 and how it's affected our jury trial dates for this year. We've already had 3 trial dates. So March, April, May, we've had those continued automatically, which is unfortunate because we may not get a new trial date for quite some time. And I'll talk about why in a second. It's still uncertain how the June, July, August, September, all of those, actually the rest of the year, we're not sure really how it's going to affect those cases. It's still very uncertain. We're reaching out to judges trying to find out what's this looking like, because here's the problem. We have trial dates set during those months. So June, July, August, September, October, November, December, we have trial dates set throughout the remainder of the year. Our main concern right now is that our cases are going to get bumped for criminal cases that have speedy trial motions on them. And what that means is that if you file a speedy trial motion in a criminal case, they're entitled by constitutional right, both state and U.S. Constitution, they have a right to a jury trial within a certain number of days. So if they file that, and a lot of criminal defense attorneys are filing those so that they can get their clients out of custody, we might get bumped for those cases. And that's one of our main concerns. Some people are saying we're not going to get trial dates until 2021, which is a real significant problem. That only benefits defense counsel, it only benefits defendants and insurance companies. So we're fighting that as much as we can. I've got a conference today with a judge for our June trial dates, and we were gonna fight like heck to keep those trial dates, or that trial date, because if it gets continued, we're talking about a trial date in 2021. There's no way we're going to be able to get a trial date later on in this year for that specific case. So it is one of those things we're working on. We're fighting. It's difficult. It's difficult for the courts, and so we definitely feel for them. It's not something that we're being unreasonable with the judges about either. Some people just fight with judges just for no reason. They fight with the other attorney for no reason. This is one. We will fight in a very reasonable manner to try to keep the dates we can, but we also understand that June just may not be doable. July and August may not be doable either, because we just don't know if COVID-19, the coronavirus, is going to pop back up, if it's going to get worse again. Right now the trend is good, but that doesn't mean that it won't flare back up. And so some judges we anticipate are going to be very cautious about that, and so that they may not have any jury trials for the next few months. And if that happens, it's going to hurt. We will deal with it. We're dealing with it in other ways right now anyways. It's a very ripe time for us to get some cases settled too. So that's also a good thing. So I just want to give you an update. This is how it may affect your jury trials. Bench trials are a little bit different. So we don't do many bench trials in civil cases. And so this probably doesn't apply to you. Bench trials, you can get those pretty much anytime. There are people doing bench trials via Zoom right now. We're not a big proponent of those, but this is specifically about civil jury trials and personal injury cases. And I'm also being very specific. This is about Missouri cases as well. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 888-550-4026. Check out our YouTube channel, Mutrux Firm Injury Lawyers. Also, give us a like on Facebook, because we also share a lot of great information from our Facebook page every single day, which includes videos and other content that we don't share elsewhere. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.